Are you looking for the best drones under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is the perfect drone for beginners and hobbyists. It's easy to fly, has a long flight time, and can capture stunning 4K video and 12MP photos. Plus, it's super portable so you can take it with you wherever you go. If you're looking for a great all-around drone, the DJI Mini 2 is a perfect choice. The DJI Mini 2 has a flight time of up to 31 minutes, making it one of the longest flying drones in its class. Consider this when choosing a drone. The longer the flight time, the more you'll be able to get out of your drone and explore. To increase flight time, make sure to buy extra batteries. The DJI Mini 2 has a range of 10 kilometers, so you'll be able to fly your drone farther and explore more with this drone. If you need a drone with an even longer range, consider the Mavic 2 Pro, which has a range of up to 15 kilometers. The DJI Mini 2 has a top speed of 16 meters per second, making it a great choice for those who want a fast drone. The fact that it's so fast also makes it a great choice for those who want to use their drone for racing. Too fast? Not to worry. The DJI Mini 2 has 3 speed modes so you can adjust the speed to your liking. The DJI Mini 2 comes with a 1/2.3 CMOS sensor and can capture stunning 4K video and 12MP photos. The camera is also capable of recording video at up to 100 Mbps, so you'll be able to capture smooth and crisp footage. Plus, with a 120 degrees field of view, you'll be able to capture more of your surroundings. Number 2, DJI Mini 3 Pro. Another drone from DJI, the Mini 3 Pro is one of the smallest and lightest drones on our list. It's also one of the most affordable. Despite its size, it's still packed with features like a 4K camera, long flight time, and one of the longest ranges. It's also very easy to fly, making it a great option for beginners. Never disappointed with a DJI product, the Mini 3 Pro is one of our favorite drones. It's packed with features, yet still manages to be small and lightweight. It's also very easy to fly, making it a great option for beginners. There is no downside to this drone, and we highly recommend it to anyone looking for a great drone experience. DJI has always been known for its long flight times, and the Mini 3 Pro is no exception. It has a flight time of 34 minutes, which is one of the longest in its class. The race of getting the longest flight time is one that drone manufacturers are constantly trying to win, and DJI is currently leading the pack. The Mini 3 Pro has a range of 12 kilometers, which is one of the longest in its class. This gives you a lot of freedom to explore and get some great photos and videos. Nothing is worse than having a drone that can only fly for a few minutes at a time. The Mini 3 Pro gives you the freedom to fly for as long as you want. The Mini 3 Pro has a top speed of 16 meters per second, which is one of the fastest in its class. This makes it great for getting around quickly and easily. It's also great for getting some great video footage. The Mini 3 Pro is a great drone for anyone who wants to get the most out of their drone flying experience. The Mini 3 Pro comes with a 1.3-inch CMOS camera, which is capable of taking 48MP photos and 4K video. This is a great camera for anyone who wants to take high-quality photos and videos. The Mini 3 Pro is a great drone for anyone who wants to get the most out of their drone flying experience. The Mini 3 Pro is one of the smallest and lightest drones on our list. It measures 145 x 90 x 62 mm when folded and 171 x 245 x 62 mm when unfolded. Number 3, DJI Mavic Air 2. DJI has another great drone on the market. market with the Mavic Air 2. It has everything that you could want in a drone. Nothing is missing. It is DJI's one of the most popular drones. The Mavic Air 2 is a great drone for anyone who wants the best of the best but doesn't want to spend a lot of money. Overall, the Mavic Air 2 is a great drone. It has everything that you could want in a drone and it is very affordable. If you are looking for a great drone, the Mavic Air 2 is the perfect choice for you. The flight time for the Mavic Air 2 is 34 minutes, which is pretty good. Some drones can only stay in the air for about 20 minutes. Being able to stay in the air for 34 minutes means that you can get a lot of great footage. The range for the Mavic Air 2 is 10 kilometers. This is a great range because it means that you can go far and still get great footage. If you want to go even further, you can buy an extended range battery. The speed for the Mavic Air 2 is 19 meters per second. This is a great speed because it means that you can get where you're going quickly and still get great footage. The camera on the Mavic Air 2 is 1/2 CMOS and it has 12 MP and 48 MP. It is famously known for its 4K Ultra HD. The Mavic Air 2 also has a great camera because it can take pictures in RAW format. This means that you can edit them later and make them look even better. Number 4. DJI Air 2S. DJI has multiple camera drones on the market, but the Air 2S is its newest and most advanced option. It's a great choice for serious photographers and videographers, as it offers a 1-inch CMOS sensor. The drone is made for stability and easy operation, with perfect body proportions and a sleek design. It's also relatively lightweight and portable for a drone of its caliber. When folded, the drone is small enough to fit in a backpack, making it perfect for travel. DJI Air 2S is the drone of professionals. Packing a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it is one of the most powerful drones in terms of camera. Along with that comes a great flight time of 31 minutes and a range of 12 kilometers. If you're looking for a drone that can take stunning photos and videos, the Air 2S is the way to go. No drone is perfect, but the Air 2S comes close. It has a flight time of 31 minutes. Which is one of the longest in its class. Nothing more needs to be said. If you're looking for a drone that can stay in the air for a long time, this is it. The Air 2S has a maximum range of 12 kilometers, which is pretty standard for most high-end drones on the market. However, its real strength lies in its ability to maintain a strong signal even when flying at long distances. This is thanks to DJI's OcuSync 3.0 technology, which provides up to 8x the transmission range of Wi-Fi. The Air 2S has a top speed of 19 meters per second, which is fast enough for most purposes. However, if you're looking for a drone that can really fly, you might want to check out the Mavic 2 Pro. It has a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour. The Air 2S is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is larger than what's found in many DSLRs. This gives it the ability to capture stunning photos and videos with great detail and clarity. The drone also has a 5.4K video resolution, which is higher than most drones on the market. Number 5. DJI FPV Combo. If we were to leave you with the last option on our list, it would be the DJI FPV Combo. This is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a powerful and feature-rich drone. It is the fastest and most agile drone on our list, and it comes with a 4K camera that can capture stunning footage. The only downside to this drone is that it is the most expensive one on our list. But, when you see everything that it can do, we think you'll agree that it's worth every penny. Now, let's talk about flight time. The DJI FPV Combo has a flight time of approximately 20 minutes. This is the longest flight time on our list, and it is thanks to the powerful batteries that this drone uses. The DJI FPV is everything you could want in a drone and more. It is fast, agile, and comes with an excellent camera. The only downside is the price, but we think it's worth every penny. We would highly recommend this drone to anyone looking for the best FPV experience. The DJI FPV Combo has a range of 10 kilometers. This is the second longest range on our list, and it is thanks to the advanced antennas that this drone uses. With a range like this, you'll be able to fly your drone almost anywhere you want.